Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. Just want to show you this California trimmer. Sorry it's windy, it's probably messing up the audio. We're outside here at the shop, but a customer dropped this one off and asked me to sharpen it for them. And I just took a quick look at it and thought this would be the perfect machine to use to make a video about how to do some repairs and sharpen a California Trimmer Reel Mower. The reason I say that is because the reel on this is so dull. I don't think it could cut anything. It's completely worn out. The blade edge is worn out. The bed knife on this is no better. I don't know if you can see it through the reel there, but it's just about flush with the backing plate here, and there's no room. You can actually see where it's starting to file itself back into the groove. So this bed knife needs to be replaced. This reel needs a grind, and actually if you watch, I don't know if you can hear that, but the bearings to the bearing holder on the ends are sloppy and loose. And actually if you lift up and down on that, again, I don't know if you can hear or see that, but the bearing is actually bouncing up and down inside of the housing. So it's going to need new bearings, it's going to need new housings, it's going to need a new bed knife as well. Underneath, when we change the bed knife, we're going to have to replace these screws. There's 9 of them holding it on there. So this will be a good rebuild video series. Could probably do this in about 3 or 4 videos. I've informed the customer that he needs to go out and buy a bunch of expensive parts. There's other things wrong with this mower. These front wheels, the hardware is toast. You can see that. And actually, if you look at the back wheels, they're no better. The bearings are finished. So I don't know how much money this guy wants to put into this thing, but it's pretty much useless the way it is. The only thing it's got going for it is that Honda engine runs really good. And I think it looks like he's installed a couple of new chains recently. So I'm going to give him the bad news shortly, and we'll see if we can convince him into buying some parts, and we'll make part 2 of this video, taking this apart, and then we'll do part 3, doing some bearing replacements, changing the bed knife. Part 4 we'll grind it, and part 5 we'll put it back together, and then you guys can see the difference that some new parts makes. Thanks for watching.